strikes for higher wage. Planet lurches to the right as ideologies engage. Suddenly it's repression, moratorium on rights. What did they think the politics of panic would invite? Person in the street shrugs, security comes first. But the trouble with normal is it always gets worse. The trouble with normal is it always gets worse. Callous men in business costumes speak computer.